In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Teamviewer with Windows Startup automatically. If you rely on remote access, having Teamviewer launch as soon as your PC starts can save time and make sure you're always reachable, even after a restart or update. We'll walk through the exact setting inside the app and share a few tips so you know what to expect. First, open the Teamviewer app on your Windows computer. You can launch it the way you normally do using a desktop shortcut, the Start menu, or Windows Search. Give it a moment to load so the main window is visible. If you're signed in, that's fine, and if you're not, you can still change the startup behavior. This setting is available for everyone. Once the main window is open, look to the top right corner for the small gear icon. That gear takes you to settings where all of TeamViewer's preferences live. If your window is resized and you don't immediately see the gear, maximize the app or look for a menu button that reveals settings. Go ahead and click the gear to open the settings panel. Inside settings, choose the general section. This is where TeamViewer groups system level options that affect how the app behaves on your computer. The general page is designed to be straightforward, and it's the place where you control whether TeamViewer starts automatically with Windows. Now enable the option labeled Start TeamViewer with Windows. Depending on your version, this may appear as a checkbox or a toggle. Turning it on tells Windows to launch TeamViewer during startup, so it's ready in the background without you having to open it manually. When you enable this, Windows may ask for permission to make changes because allowing apps to start with the system can require administrator rights. Approve the prompt if it appears so the setting can be saved. That's it. TeamViewer is now set to launch automatically whenever Windows starts. From here on, after a reboot or power-up, the app will be available without any extra clicks. This is especially helpful if someone needs to connect to your machine shortly after it turns on, or if you manage devices that you don't always sit in front of. Keep in mind that AutoStart doesn't automatically configure unattended access or change your security settings. It simply ensures the app is running. If you need unattended access, configure that separately according to your organization's policies. To recap, you opened TeamViewer, went into the settings via the gear icon, selected General, and enabled Start TeamViewer with Windows. With that change in place, you're set up for a smoother, more reliable remote support experience.